Okay, welcome back. So these are the things we have covered in the last class. So today we want to move to the next thing, that is we want to start styling our body parts very well. So we are done with header now. So the very first one that we'll be working on is our, what is it called? Um is this showcase. Let me look for index.html. So if we check this index.html, so immediately after header, what do we have? So we have this idea of showcase. So that's the first section that contains what is happening to my laptop. Oh, okay. So where we have affordable professional web design and all of that. So we want to style that section alone now. We want to style the section alone. So we want to declare the height of it, the minimum height we want for it, to say 400 pixel. So it depends on how you want it. Then background image, this is the background image I use, and I said no repeat. Remember, you can say background repeat and choose no repeat, but instead of repeating that, that is why I just put no repeat beside it here. Then background position, center. Background size, I said cover. Text align, I want everything to be in center. Then color, so I chose this color for my font. So this color is going to affect the text now. Then font weight, I chose bold. So let's view it now and see how it looks. Wow, so this is it here. This is the background image. So can you see? So just for this section where we have this affordable professional web design and all of that, so this is the image we chose for it. We said it should be centralized, and we should text align also to be center and all of that. So all these are something you are still very familiar with, so there is no need of wasting our time on it. Okay, so do this and see you in the next class.